Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica Lifestyle here and there. So yeah, welcome back to my channel guys, and today's vlog, it's another collaboration and it's another unboxing review, and let's try to find it out and how it smells like. So I guess that you already know what would be our product or that we are going to unbox for today. So it's a scent, a, a perfume. No, it's a toilet spray, a perfume. It's not perfume, so it's still kind of scent. So yeah, welcome back to my channel guys. So this has been Erica Lifestyle again and again. Welcome back to my channel, and to all to my subscribers out there, and to all to my fans, thank you so much for watching for my vlog. And this is really helpful to me that you have been supported me all the way since from the beginning. So back to this product, back to our vlog for today. I was just grateful that you guys are still there and still supporting me, and thank you so much. So I highly appreciate it. So back to our unboxing vlog for today. Today is another unboxing of a scent called Nautica Voyage. So, right there, and it's Nautica Voyage. So this toilet spray, vaporization. I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry. Excuse me. Sorry about that. So yeah, this one is for this perfume is perfect for men. So that's why it's color blue, because it stands for men. So this would be perfect for our dad, our brothers, or to all you have, friends out there or men. You can give this as a gift to them. Why not? So this is pretty amazing perfume, and look at the package, is wonderful and handy. And look at that one. So let's open this together without any further ado. Let's keep the ball rolling. So stay frosty and bear with me. Let's open this together. So let's open this one, and there you go. It's a color royal blue, I think. So that's why I'm wearing something blue to match with our scent for today. So that's the package, and let's open this together. And there you go. It says the logo there, and it says Nautica Voyage. Right there you go. Oh, it's just a simple bottle, and look at the top there. There you go. It's a silver, and you can just this is the spray where you can spray, and the brand Nautica Voyage. So I might probably give this to my dad as a gift, since I'm going back to the Philippines for a vacation, and I'm going this a gift to my dad, so, or my brother, or my friends. So let's see, it's amazing. This is pretty amazing perfume, guys. See, come on, please cooperate just for today. There you go. So that's the perfume there, and this perfume, guys, it's not that expensive. It's very affordable perfume. Yeah, you heard it right. It's very affordable. And don't you worry guys, I'm gonna put the link on my description, and if you guys are interested to purchase it, you can just grab one and make it 2, 3, or more than that, or whatever you know. So let's find out what this smells like. So this is a Nautica Voyage. Sounds like French. The toilet spray for men. This is perfect for men, like I said before, and it's fresh, romantic, and fruity scent, woody, and also it's aquatic. What was that? Happened. Back. So it's aquatic notes of apple, water lotus, and cedarwood and mask. Ideal day wear. So this would be perfect for daytime to wear, and this is 3.3 if all O's, so it's kind of a lot. It's and hold on. So this is belongs to Nautica fragrances. So this is perfect for you know, the voyage man dares to take an arched. For those who are desire discover the adventures that await, the voyage man dares to take an uncharted waters, determined to discover the adventures and await. He is a man of a journey, but he doesn't need a map to navigate her own destiny. Whenever he needs an inspiration, he looks to the ocean. Oh, that's why. So that's the story behind this perfume, the Nautica. So, like I said, the features and the details of this fragrance is romantic. Oh my god, it's romantic and fruity. It's romantic and fruity, and for an active and romantic man, you know, for men out there who are watching, this is perfect for you, and who lives by his own rules. Wow. Fresh and masculine, fresh and salty sea breeze that carries romantic scents of coastal herbs and woods. Wow, amazing. And versatile and long lasting. So this is long lasting, and imagine that it was not expensive. So it would last 24 hours and can be worn casually or formally. And Nautica fragrances scents that support your curiosity for life, so that you are ready to take on the day whatever it takes you. Wow, amazing. So the ingredients of this are the green leaf apple and drenched mimosa. Wow. And sailcloth accord and water lotus, and of course cedar wood. Wow. And cedar woods. Where are we? Where are we now? And sailcloth accord and water lotus, cedar wood, moss, and moss umber. This is awesome perfume, guys. You should have yours now. And don't you worry, I'm gonna put the link on my description, and if you guys are interested, and yeah, grab one and you can have it. It's a big bottle, and oh my goodness, smells good. Yeah, it's easy on the top, and there you go. When it smells awesome. So yeah, and I think I said all. And what else? So yeah, this is bestseller. This is bestseller online. You can check it out. You can check it out online, and I'll just put the link in my description. And it's from Amazon. You can check it out also. Why not? And yeah, to Also, my friends out there, check it out and find out. You know, it's not that expensive. You can afford it. So yeah, grab this one and give this to their dad, or you can give as a gift. Why not? And or your brothers or cousins or family and loved ones that you know, you can give this as a gift or presents to them. Or Christmas is coming. This would be perfect for a Christmas gift. So, and what else? I think I see it all. I think right now it's like 25% off. Oh my goodness. So this is the volume for this item is 100 millimeters, and the brand, like I said, it's Nautica Voyage, and it's cruelty free. The product information. That's it. So yeah, I think I say it all, guys, and thank you so much for watching. And from I think my premiere every Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. It's depend on the slot. I have Thursday and Friday, so I have premiere 3 times a week. I have team that work with, and yeah. So to all to my subscribers and team, thank you so much for supporting me. And yeah, for future collaborators, so don't hesitate to email me or send me an email to work with me. Let's work together and let's work one on hand, and together we can move forward. So yeah, once again, this has been Erica Lifestyle, and saying to you, enjoy the rest of your day, and thank you for watching. Stay safe. Bye. Bye everyone. Bye.